In the heart of the wild, untamed California, a man named James Marshall stood on the banks of the American River, his eyes fixed on a peculiar object glinting in the sun. It was a fleeting moment, but one that would change the course of history. Marshall, a carpenter by trade, was overseeing the construction of a sawmill for John Sutter, a Swiss immigrant who had staked his claim in the rugged land. Unaware of the treasure that lay before him, Marshall had been tasked with building a water flume to divert the water from the river for the mill. As he inspected the flume, Marshall noticed something unusual. A small, golden nugget lay embedded in the riverbed, shimmering with an allure that he couldn't ignore. He picked it up, examining it closely, his heart racing with a mix of excitement and confusion. Word of Marshall's discovery spread like wildfire. Sutter, hearing the news, demanded the golden nugget, but Marshall, knowing the potential value of his find, kept it hidden. The secret was too big, too precious to share. The news reached the state capital, Sacramento, where it ignited a spark of excitement. Gold, it seemed, was not just a myth but a reality. The prospect of wealth drew thousands from across the country, each seeking their fortune. The year was 1848, and the California gold rush had begun. The once quiet, secluded land was suddenly overrun by a sea of hopeful prospectors, each with dreams of striking it rich. The wilderness transformed into a bustling hub of activity, a testament to human ambition and the allure of gold. The consequences of the gold rush were profound. The influx of people led to the growth of cities, the birth of new industries, and the rise of California as a significant player in the global economy. It brought about a cultural shift, as the diverse population of prospectors mixed, creating a unique blend of languages, traditions, and customs that would come to define the state's identity. Yet, the gold rush was not without its dark side. The rush for gold led to conflicts, exploitation, and environmental degradation. The dreams of wealth often came at a steep cost, leaving a lasting impact on the land and its indigenous people. The discovery at Sutter's Mill was more than just the finding of gold. It was a catalyst, a spark that ignited a transformation in California and the United States as a whole. The story of James Marshall and the golden nugget serves as a reminder of the power of discovery, the allure of wealth, and the indelible mark humans leave on the world.